All right, awesome.
Okay. What do we do today, Janessa? You don't know because you follow, right?
Yeah, I just follow.
Good job. All right, so today we did a hand toss that lands on 3 instead of your typical 3, 4, 5. That's the typical hand toss, yes? So we started that way, and then we did a prep turn, followed by a hammer lock, followed by us vibing going around each other.
There you go.
Okay, so that hand toss, again, happens on 3. At least you have to make sure that you mark that 3. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 3, 4. Okay, like Atito was mentioning earlier, when you do this hand toss, it has to go out and land where we're asking for. Lees, notice how I'm asking for the hand right here. Some of you Lees are asking in this position. It's very awkward for us to do a prep turn like this. Make sure that your palm is facing her so that we can go 5, 6, 7, 8. We make sure you tap 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Then as we unwinding, Lees go around the follow. 7, 8, and keep circling. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wrong footing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Then your typical what do you call that? Open break. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Create distance. Come close. Open. Come close. And tap. Let's do it again. So, from this side. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 5, 6, 7. Tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Tap. Step, 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 tap, step, 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 tap. No, you're doing good. Step, tap, step, 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 tap, step, 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 tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes?